Hunting season is almost here, and if you're an avid hunter, you know that hunting isn't merely a hobby. It's a deep-rooted connection to nature, a quest for sustenance, and a dance with the elements. So, no matter if you're a seasoned pro or just setting foot into the hunting scene, knowing the right gear can be the difference between a triumphant pursuit and a missed opportunity. So, in this video, we'll showcase the 7 hunting gear every hunter should own. Enjoy. Athlon Cronus G2, a spotting scope that takes your hunting and outdoor experience to the next level. This exceptional optic instrument is designed to provide you with stunning clarity and precision, ensuring you never miss a moment in the field. Cronus G2 features an apochromatic lens system. This technology converges refracting colors into one focus point, resulting in greater contrast, exceptional sharpness, and vivid color definition. When you're tracking your prey or observing the beauty of nature, this scope ensures that every detail is vivid and crisp. The use of UHD glass takes the experience a step further by minimizing or even eliminating chromatic fringing. This means that you'll enjoy an image that's virtually free from color distortion, giving you the clearest and sharpest view possible. The Cronus G2 goes the extra mile with its ESP, or Enhanced Spectral Prism, dielectric coating. This coating reflects over 99% of the available light to your eyes, resulting in a clear, bright image and accurate color reproduction. In the field, this can make all the difference when you're making crucial decisions based on what you see.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
Next up, the TenPoint Flatline 460 is a hunting crossbow that redefines your outdoor experience. The 100-yard EVO X Marksman Elite Scope sets the stage for outstanding accuracy. With variable speed capabilities, designed for speeds of up to 505 FPS, this scope maximizes your accuracy out to an impressive 100 yards. Whether you're targeting distant game or fine-tuning your shot, this scope ensures you hit your mark with confidence. The Flatline 460 features the S1 trigger, a 2-stage, zero-creep design that's equipped with a roller sear system. This technology sets the standard in accuracy, guaranteeing a smooth, precise trigger pull that's essential for consistent shooting. What sets this crossbow apart is its innovative reverse draw design. This engineering marvel generates more speed with less draw weight, resulting in a smoother shot and superior balance for enhanced accuracy. It's not just about power, it's about finesse. And for those who appreciate innovation, the AccuSlide cocking and decocking system is a silent, safe solution for your crossbow needs. Benchmade Raghorn, a hunting knife that redefines the way you approach your outdoor adventures. This full-sized, fixed-blade knife is designed for hunting and camping, making it a versatile and essential tool for your outdoor pursuits. This one features a CPM S30V steel drop point blade with spine jimping. This exceptional steel is known for its extreme toughness and remarkable edge retention. ensuring that your knife stays sharp and ready to perform no matter the challenges you face in the wild. The OD Green G10 handle scales are not just lightweight, but also offer the perfect grip. With a large finger choil, this knife facilitates several gripping styles, giving you excellent maneuverability. It's all about control, and the Raghorn ensures that you have it in abundance. Next on the list, the Stone Glacier Sky 5900 is a hunting backpack that's built for those who want to carry their game more efficiently. This pack is not just any backpack. It's a testament to ruggedness, versatility, and ultimate functionality, perfectly suited for hunters who demand the best. Crafted for hunters who need to carry their gear with them, the Stone Glacier Sky 5900 is a symbol of ultralight excellence. Weighing in at just 5.55 pounds on a medium X-curve frame, it's designed to keep you light and agile on your hunting expeditions. One of its standout features is the seamless blend of a front panel zip and the proven Sky design. This means you have the versatility to access your gear quickly. And with the large front panel zip, you can reach virtually the entire pack without any hassle. When time is of the essence, the Sky 5900 ensures you're always prepared and ready to go. The Sky design ensures that no matter how much you need to carry, your load stays secure and tightly packed. You won't find yourself fumbling with loose gear. It's all within reach and well organized. TenPoint EVO X Center Punch Broadhead is a hunting weapon that's built for the true enthusiast of the wild. If you're a hunter who demands nothing but the best, this broadhead is designed to deliver strength, precision, and, most importantly, results. Crafted for the relentless pursuit of the game, the EVO X Center Punch is not just any broadhead. It's a statement of power and accuracy. It boasts a collarless design that's all about field point accuracy. When the moment of truth arrives, you can trust this broadhead to deliver a devastating cut. What sets this broadhead apart is the rugged construction. The 7075 T6 aluminum ferrule and ultra-strong precision point ensure it's built to last, even under the most challenging hunting conditions. The scalpel-sharp blades are designed to stay closed during flight, creating massive wound channels and leaving unmistakable blood trails. It's a testament to the efficacy of the EVO X Center Punch. Next up, we have the XOP Ambush, the ultimate tree stand that resonates with the spirit of the hunt. For those who live for the thrill of the chase, this tree stand is more than just a platform. It's your vantage point for a successful hunt. Designed for hunters who appreciate the blend of ruggedness and comfort, the XOP Ambush is your ideal companion in the great outdoors. Let's delve into what makes it stand out. One of its standout features is the stiffer traction belt, which not only increases durability but also ensures that you have a secure grip while ascending or descending the tree. The 3-pin locking system is not only easy to use but also incredibly secure, giving you the peace of mind that you deserve when perched above the forest floor. The versatility of the XOP Ambush is truly exceptional. The sit bar isn't just a simple accessory. It doubles as a gun rest, ensuring you're always ready for the perfect shot. The chamfered tooth profile reduces your impact on the tree, allowing you to maintain stealth while in pursuit of your prey. Tactacam Reveal X Pro, your ultimate solution for capturing discrete cellular images day or night. Setting up a canopy or tent in the wild can often feel like a daunting task. But with the Reveal X Pro, you've got a powerhouse at your disposal. This trail camera is designed to make your hunting and outdoor experiences more rewarding. One of its standout features is the no-glow flash technology. This means that it can capture high-quality images without being detected by animals, ensuring you remain hidden while observing your target. Whether it's the brightness of the day or the stillness of the night, the X Pro delivers stunning results in both scenarios. What makes the X Pro even more versatile is its built-in GPS, which allows you to track its location with ease. No more guessing where you placed your camera. With the convenient LCD screen, you can navigate settings and view captured images right on the spot, simplifying the process. Okay, that was our list of 7 hunting gear every hunter should own. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section and share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, gooutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.